How much is a cup of graham cracker crumbs in crackers in weight? I have a recipe that calls for 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. How many crackers am I going to need to crush? I'm having trouble finding an answer partly because different people consider a cracker to be of various sizes. I would consider a cracker to be a full-sized sheet like this. Image source, see link. 1. Closing parenthesis. It would also be helpful to know what a cup of graham cracker crumbs weighs. My box of crackers is 14.4 ounces. I could estimate what portion of the box to use if I know how much a cup of crumbs weighs.
It should be about 7 crackers per cup, maybe 8, depending how finely you crush them. One of the inner packages from your 14.4 ounces box should be plenty. There are probably 3 packages with 9 in each, or 4.8 ounces. If you need to go the other way, that's 1/7 to 1/8 cup per cracker, or more simply, 0.5 ounces or 15 grams per cracker. I know this from making graham cracker crusts, and you can confirm it by looking at some recipes. You generally need 1.5 cups of crumbs for a pie crust, and it takes 10 to 12 crackers. I've seen recipes ranging from 9 to 12 crackers and checked 10 or so when writing this, but I don't think I've ever used fewer than 10. 1 cup is 2/3 of that, 7 or 8 crackers. Some people do say 20 or 24 squares, but they're clearly half cracker squares, not the whole crackers. For what it's worth, the Martha Stewart crust recipe says 6.5 ounces graham crackers, 12 crackers, finely ground, 1.5 cups, and 2/3 of that is 4 1/3 ounces, pretty close to 1/3 of your box, maybe a cracker short, so by weight this works out too. I don't care that this thread is old. I was looking for this answer and this was one of the top 3 Google results. I just pulverized 8 full sheets, honey-made. 8 sheets come per wax paper package, 3 of those per box, which resulted in a scant 1.5 c of crumbs, just shy of 1.5 c, more than 1.25 c. Those 8 sheets netted approximately 4.9 ounces of crumb according to my scale.